ngiye kuvuga n'uyu nguyu ati kuba stajeri bagenzi banjye my fellow interns
I consider you all family.
Nubwo tutarahura ariko bafata nka famiye.
If you're getting this email, you, like me,
niba mubonye ino email mbahaye kimwe namwe mumeze nkanjye.
We're raised by the internship.
Twese twakuriye mu cyari cyiswe ngo ni internship. Cyo cyatureze. Ni programu yitwaga internship yabareze.
My code name is Catalyst.
Izina banyise ni Catalyst. Code name. Je code name yanjye ni Ram.
Know the following.
Muri kano kanya
You are not alone.
mumenye ko mutari mwenyine.
I don't know how many there are of us.
Sinzi ngo hari bangahe nkatwe.
We have a program called the Internship.
Ariko twese twitorejwe badutoreza muri programu yari yariswe ngo ni internship.
And we were left to rot when the program went down in flames with our family.
Ubwo iyo programu yangirikaga bitewe n'uwari warayishinze yitwaga Henry Byrne.
We were taken from our mothers
Twese
as children.
twahise tuburirwa irengero. Twambuye ba papa wacu twamburwa ba mama wacu tukiri abana.
Tortured.
Turatotezwa. Turi uburyo babarezemo iyo programu yitwa ngo stage. Babareze babakubita.
To be better for them. But we're more than just killing machines.
Baradukoze ariko ntago turi abantu gusa. Baradukoze tuba nk'imashini zica.
Especially if we work together.
Cyane dushize hamwe twaba imashini zica. Tuvuye hariya tugaruke mu nzu ndangamurage muri Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika iri New York. Aruri ubu nimbabwira ko nayigezemo muravuga ngo nabwo ndi gukabiriza ibintu. Witabye telefone. Code name ni analyst.
We all come from different backgrounds.
Twese dukomoka mu miryango itandukanye, dufite ubumenyi butandukanye. Tugaruke New Jersey.
We're forced to see in the dark.
Bamwe muri twe twatojwe kurebera mu mwijima.
Blinded and
buryo babuze gato ngo tube impumyi.
Could see things that others could not.
Twatojwe kubona ibintu abandi batabona. Uyu nguyu bamwita gute? Apothecary. Ni code name yiwe. Nundi batweretse ku rundi ruhande nawe wakiriye email.